Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 45x and negative 45x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 5. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 9. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 24y, and the right sides combine to 96. Divide both sides by 24. That leaves y equals 4. Use y equals 4 in the first original equation. Replace y with 4. The remaining x term equals negative 27. Divide both sides by 9. X equals negative 3. The solution is x equals negative 3 and y equals 4. It makes both original equations true.